In this video, we show you how to apply a rivet with a large back part using a fly press. Swarovski offers the correct dies and tools for every crystal product. Attach the required upper die to the correct vacuum adapter. Now, fix the vacuum adapter to the fly press and connect the vacuum pump. Next, place the appropriate lower die and the large back part in the fly press. Rivets can be applied to various materials with or without back parts. Now turn on the vacuum pump and place the rivet in the upper die, with the crystal side facing up. Position the carrier material and apply by closing the handle. Regulate the pressure using the adjustable stop. The rivet is now applied.